Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Harshil. So in the previous video we have seen the formatting of text part 2. Okay, in the formatting of text part 2 we have seen the inserted, deleted tag and superscript and subscript tag. Okay, so now in this video we will learn the one new thing in the HTML called attributes. Okay, so I have made one file for that as attributes.html and I will write our first basic syntax. Okay, so HTML. Okay, and I will give the title as attributes in HTML. Okay, so I have, if I save it, okay, and if I refresh here, then you can see the title is changed to attributes in HTML. Okay, so now first of all, what you mean by attribute? Okay, so about the attribute, whatever I will write in the comments. Okay, so that when you get the code, then you can easily understand it. Okay, so if I write about the attribute, then attribute tells us additional information about the HTML tags. Okay, so here I have written that attributes tells about additional information about HTML tags. Okay, HTML tags means h1, h2, h3, paragraph, br, like that. Okay, so these attributes are that. Okay, means it has some additional information, extra information that tag contains. Okay, so and through attribute we can display it. Okay, so how we will display it? Okay, so the attribute is divided in two parts as follows. First one is the attribute property, or we can say that attribute name, or second one is attribute value. Okay, so first one is the attribute and second one is the attribute value. Okay, and this is separated by equals to. Okay, so first of all I will write the attribute name, okay, and then equals to, and then the attribute value. Okay, something like that. So now one other thing, first note that we can write the attribute in the starting part of the tag. Okay, so there are two parts that we have discussed in the first lecture of HTML, that there are two parts. First is the starting point and second one is the ending point. Okay, like that. So in the starting point we can write the attributes. Okay, so this is how the attribute is works. Okay, so if I now let I write here h1 tag as welcome to coding with Harshil. Okay, so if I save it and refresh here, okay, then you can see welcome to coding with Harshil is printed. Okay, so no doubts. Now in the first part I can write the attribute. Okay, so in the first part I am here, and first one I have to write the attribute name. Okay, so if I write here attribute name as title. Okay, so now equals to sign means separating that, and I will give the value in double inverted commas. Okay, so now I am giving the value here like this is title attribute. Okay, so if I save it and here, yeah, if I refresh here and if I move my cursor on this welcome to coding with Harshil, then you can see it is showing me this is title attribute in the small box. Okay, and if I remove my cursor, then it's showing nothing. Okay, so you can see here it is showing me this is a title attribute. Okay, so this is the function of the title attribute. Okay, so it is showing me whatever we have value given. Okay, so on when we cursor move on that particular text. Okay, so this is how the attributes are works. Okay, and if I write here one other statement, okay, like this is a simple p tag. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can say this is simple p tag. Okay, so now, okay, so if I write here like style equals to, here the style is the attribute name, and whatever I will value comes in the between the double inverted comma. Okay, so if I want to change the color, okay, as we can say that red, sorry, okay, so I want to change the color into red. Okay, so if I save it, okay, then you will see that the color is changed. Okay, you can see here, if I refresh, then you can see the color is changed to the red. Okay, then how it works, because this whole statement this whole statement is called as a inline css. Okay, means through css we can change the color, we can change the background color, animation, borders, okay, and more effects. Okay, so this is called inline css. Okay, and this style attribute we can write anything anywhere. Okay, means in this h1 tag we can also apply this style. We can say that like uh, background. Okay, so I'm putting here one value as 262626. Okay, so if I save it and refresh here, then you can see the background color is changed. Okay, so let I write here some different value. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can see the color is changed. Okay, so this is how we can change the colors. Okay, and more. Okay, in the using the inline css. Okay, using the attributes in html. Okay, so I hope guys you understand it properly. If you have any query, any doubt related to this topic or previous topic, then you can ask me in the comment. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.